There are moments when you need to mute one of your participants. For example, they may have stepped away and their computer is producing too much noise, interfering with the rest of the meeting. If you are not sharing anything at the moment, for example, your screen, then what you can do is click on Participants, and then next to the participant microphone, click on Mute. If you would like to unmute them, you will have to ask them for it, and then they'll have to confirm it on their end. However, if you're already sharing your screen and you need to mute one of your participants, then simply hover over to the top of the screen and click on Participants, then hover over next to the microphone of that particular participant and choose Mute.